everybody, and welcome to my first Birchbox video. Thanks for coming by. Because it's my first Birchbox, I actually got a bonus Birchbox, and I've taken them out of the orange boxes because I saw how many times people had problems getting them out of those orange boxes. So I have this month's Birchbox, and I have the bonus Birchbox that you got with, I think it was a special during September that you got with your first purchase of a Birchbox. So let's see what's in these wonderful fun things. I'm having so much fun with all the samples. I have really sensitive skin, so I'm trying to slow roll all of it. I can't put like a new cleanser, a new moisturizer, a new serum all on the same day, because if I break out into a great big bright red rash, well, I won't know what did it. So I'm trying to go nice and slow. What I have found so far that I like is the Drunk Elephant Moisturizer. Oh, that's really nice. And today, I'm trying to do second day hair. You know, I'm an everyday hair washer, I admitted to. I'm trying to do second day hair, and in my add-on for my FabFitFun box, I did the Tarte Hair Goals dry shampoo, and I did that today. It's a really difficult process to get used to, not washing every day, but I'm trying because I'm coloring now. And anyway, back to the Birchbox and time for the glasses. Okay, this month's Birchbox. It's a pretty little box. These boxes are going to be awesome because I have so many samples that I'm anxious to have somewhere to keep them. So I'm thinking these boxes will be the great thing. I have this nice paper that on the back explains to me what's in my box, so I can tell you as we go, and it'll be a little bit of information that I don't know, hopefully. So let's see what's in here. Yay! I have a Malin and Goetz. I'm guessing Goetz, like the candy Goetz, because, you know. It is a grapefruit face cleanser. Full size, they say, is $36. It's an amino acid based cleanser made of naturally antibiotic grapefruit to prevent blemishes, while hydrating glycerin and sodium PCA soften your skin. So that's a nice size sample, 0.5 fluid ounces. Give me a good enough chance to see if it makes my face explode into bright rashes of redness. I got a number 4, so yay. Jour de Automne Soothing Balm. It is you prep damp strands with this styling cream, which contains tiny molecules that penetrate each strand to minimize frizz. That's always a good thing. I tend to get frizzy. I have really straight hair, but I get a little frizzy under here, so I'm always looking for something that'll help with that. Gives you touchable texture and protects against heat damage. This is another good sized one, and it is 1 fluid ounce. I have a MAC Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. It's a tiny little tube, and it is the 3D Black Lash Mascara. How is this mascara? Let's see. Oh, little tiny tube. Great big brush. No smell. Yay, you know how I feel about the smells. But yeah, that's super cute. Good enough to give me a shot at seeing if it's something like, also a good travel. All right, we have a yay Sunday Riley Good Jeans. So excited. I'm so anxious to try some of the Sunday Riley products. So the Good Jeans is the all-in-one lactic acid treatment. Speaking of worrying about bright red face. The best-selling high-potency lactic acid treatment exfoliates dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, evens out hyperpigmentation, and boosts your skin's glow. I bet. I'll be trying it. If I get a really good glow, I'll sign back on so you guys can see. And last but not least, in this first box is the Beauty Protector, Protect and Detangle. Paraben and sulfate-free detangler protects against UV rays and heat styling while also preventing color from fading. Always a great idea. Spritz on towel-dried hair. So, nice. This is another good-sized one. What do I say? It doesn't say. It's big, though. See, compared to my hand, it's a good size. All right, that's my first Birchbox. That was pretty cool. I like that. So I got the hair beauty protector. I got the because, you know, I'm a klutz. Grapefruit cleanser, face cleanser. The little mascara from MAC. The Good Jeans from Sunday Riley. And the Jour de Automne Soothing Balm from number 4 to get rid of my frizz. Very cool. Let's see what's in the second bonus box. Yeah. Next box. This is a pretty box. I like that. I could see this sitting on my vanity. It's pretty. Okay, what's in here? good stuff. Yay. Wow, big, nice. Actually, this box looks better than this month's box, the bonus box does. This has got Love shampoo in it. This is huge. It's 2.5 fluid ounces. This is several washings to my way of thinking. Very cool. It is Davines Love Soothing, yes, shampoo. Enriched with olive extract, fatty acids, and vitamin E, this formula smooths frizz and tangle-prone strands as you wash. And I happen to see that it says at the bottom, I have this foil packet of the conditioner, of the same smoothing conditioner. Infused with olive extract, nourishing fatty acids, fights frizz, gives intense moisture. Intense. I have an Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. This is a 0.24 fluid ounces. It says the rejuvenating cream, formulated for frequent flyers, is filled with antioxidants, humectants that moisturize dry, stressed complexions. I tend to be dry and stressed in the winter. Well, I tend to be dry and stressed year-round, but particularly dry in the winter. A little bit of my personality. I have a Real Chemistry, 0.5 fluid ounces. It's a Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. I love cleansers. I love the idea of cleansers, especially travel size ones. Gently remove impurities, makeup, and excess oil by lathering up with this amazing amino-infused face wash that has refreshing grapefruit scent. Grapefruit must be the scent du month. I've had several grapefruit things in my boxes. Massage over damp skin, then rinse. In case you're unclear how to clean your face. It's pretty cool though. I have a Lipstick Queen, yay! Lipstick Queen liner in natural. If that is the color, that is not natural to my pale self, but line lips with this raisin hued pencil. Actually, I have on my lips today are my new favorite lips. They are the, pretty sure I just paused that video for about 4.5 days while I got the plastic off of this. So we'd have something fun to swatch. Anyway, it is the Lipstick Queen Natural Lip Liner. It is very pretty, but it's pretty dark. It's not something I'm going to get to wear with everything I wear. Of course, I am Casper White, so, but it'll be around. It'll be great for the holidays. Anyway, what I was saying is I have this nice, this is the Tarte Liquid Matte. Love it. It's my favorite. All day, no stick at all. I like the Huda Beauty, but this has no tack to it. It never is, doesn't get on your teeth. Love it. Last but not least, I have a Laritzy Cosmetics long-lasting liquid lipstick. Very cool. Full size too, I'd say. Very pretty color. It says, swipe it on for a richly pigmented liquid lipstick for a deep mauve hue that lasts from dawn till dusk. Well, I really wish I didn't have this lipstick on. Let's swatch it. Very pretty. Also, maybe a clue as to why I got that nice liquid, that nice liner in that color. I think this might be the clue. All right, that is my Birchbox. Yay! And my bonus Birchbox for ordering this month, my first one. So I have lots of things. In this bonus one, I had the Love shampoo and conditioner, the Air Repair moisturizer, and the Real Chemistry face cleanser, and the Laritzy lip, full size. Very nice. Very excited with Birchbox. So I'm trying all of these boxes. I'm going to try them all for a couple months. See if I have favorites, see what they are, see if I want to stick with all of them, maybe cut back to some of them. I like this box. I particularly love this. I'm using Verb shampoo right now that I'm loving. But there's always fun things to be trying. 2.5 ounces. This can't fly. Just saying. Thanks for coming by, everybody. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If not, be nice. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.